Well, today I'm doing some waterfall hunting. It's a perfect day for it. Gray skies, a little bit chilly, especially for August, but definitely good conditions for shooting waterfalls. So I'm along the Basin Cascades Trail in the White Mountains of New Hampshire and hoping to get some good waterfall photographs. Well, I'm at my first waterfall, and I don't really think it has a name. It's just part of the Cascades that are around here. You can look around and see that the Cascades go for quite a ways, actually, up that way too, and I'm going to keep going that way. But for now, I'm shooting this waterfall, and I'm using the Lee filter system here on my camera, and I have got a 10-stop neutral density filter as well as the landscape polarizer. I don't know how well you can see that, but that should cut down on any glare and make sure that you know, even though it's a cloudy day, so there shouldn't be too much glare, but it'll make sure that any that might be there is gone, and be able to see hopefully right through the water. But anyway, kind of an interesting perspective here, because usually you don't get to look down on top of the waterfall, but here you can. So kind of neat to try this particular perspective out. Look how clear this water is. It is just beautiful. Well, I made it to Kinsman Falls, and it is spectacular. A really nice waterfall. And right now I'm doing a long exposure, a 7-minute long exposure, and I'm using the same setup as before, although right now you might notice I'm doing portrait style. But I'm using these rocks right here, these beautiful rocks in the foreground as a foreground element with the waterfall in the background. And the rocks around here are made of granite, and so they have a really nice texture to them, and it works really well as a foreground element. So definitely enjoying myself right now because this is just beautiful. Well, it's time for me to head back. It's starting to get a little bit darker, and it'll be quite dark soon, so I'd like to get off the trail before it's too dark, but had a really good time today. You know, I didn't really get that many pictures, which tends to be the case when you're doing waterfall photography, because it's a long exposure, obviously, and that takes a long time, surprisingly enough. But got some good photos still, I think, and happy I came. And definitely getting cooler. Autumn is just around the corner, and pretty soon all this green is going to have some beautiful color in it, and I'm excited for that. But I'll have more videos, of course, in the near future. But I thank you for watching this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time.